Imagine this. You're sitting on a beach, sipping on your Mai Tai, and your phone keeps pinging. Ping, ping, ping. You know tomorrow is Monday because you've looked at the calendar, but it doesn't matter to you because you're receiving 100% profits on a product that you did not create. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Let's talk about it. If we haven't met, I'm Jennifer, your oldie but goodie, and I am here to help those over 40 be successful in the online space because I am proof that it's possible. I'm a 58-year-old woman who's been in corporate America for over 30 years, and I knew that there was something else out there, and I found it. And it does sound too good to be true because selling somebody else's product for 100% profits just sounds impossible. But it's not. It is a real thing, and it's called master resale rights. Now, right out of the gate, people want to think of this as a scam because you are taking somebody else's product and reselling it, not as your own, but just as an e-learning program, but you are reselling it and you get all of the profits from that sale. So it seems too good to be true. But if you do your research, you'll find that master resale rights are a legal way to make money online, and people are doing it every single day, and you should be too. I always say that it's your foundation. So it's your foundation to break into digital marketing where you can learn all the ins and outs of it while you're reselling somebody else's program for 100% profit. Now, the reason that I say that it's a foundation because it is a very quick, easy, and affordable way to get into the online space before you learn the skills to create your own digital products or branch out into other areas like you want to. So there's usually just a one-time fee. There's the training, lifetime access to a community, and there are so many benefits that this is the way for you to break into the online industry. So master resale rights are a real thing, and 100% profits are also a real thing. You also hear a lot of people talking about passive income, and they say, there's no such thing as passive income. You still have to work your business. Well, of course you do. But with passive income, these sales are coming in while you're out doing things with your family, while you're sleeping, while you're doing other things. You're sipping your Mai Tai on the beach. So it is possible to have this passive income working for you in the background with those 100% profits. So let's break down what that exactly means when I say 100% profits. So the first step is that you choose your program. So you choose the e-learning digital marketing program that you want to purchase, right? So that's your very first step. You purchase it, you pay that out-of-pocket expense, and you get into the program and learn what it's all about. So that's the first step. Now, this is so simple, I don't know how to break it down any easier. So if you buy a product for $500 and you turn around and resell that for $500, that $500 goes in your pocket. That's what I mean by 100% profits. And people also say, well, how is the creator making any money? Because the creator is selling this product as well. And the creator, with the one that I'm in, the Digital Growth Community, is a millionaire because everybody knows her and people buy from her. That's how she's making her money, right? She also has some other things that you can get into, like a paid online community, so you can pay to get into that. Plus, there is a one-time fee for your website, which is $29, and she gets that. So it's a brilliant strategy. She is still selling the program herself. That's how she's making money. But all those people she sells to, like myself, we turn around and resell it too. And it's lifetime. All the updates, anything that is added to the community, any additional training, the mentoring is lifetime access. MRR, Master Resale Rights, is a powerful tool that you can use to create a business of your own, because through this process, you're going to learn how to create your own digital products. Then you can turn around and resell those for 100% profit as well. So you are going to branch out and do more with this whole process. And the way that it works, and not to get too much in the weeds, because I do have other videos that take you in depth into how the process works, but it's all because of automation, because you are setting your business up with an automated funnel, which means when people see your information on social media, they can click on your website and see your information 24/7. And if they decide to purchase, then they can do that at 2 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 1 a.m. or whatever time they want to. And once they get into your funnel, they will continue to receive emails, again on automation, talking about more benefits of the program. So those people that you've connected with, you will continue to connect with them over time just through email automation as well. So Master Resell Rights with 100% profits is a 100% legitimate business, no matter how many times people try to tell you otherwise. There's no scam to it. It's basic. You purchase a program, you resell it for 100% profits while you're learning digital marketing. That's the bottom line. So I hope that this helped you understand more about what 100% profits means. Please subscribe to my channel. Actually, put some comments in on things you want to know about digital marketing, master resale rights, creating your own digital products, any topic that you want, because I'm here again to help those over 40 be successful in this online business. And I'm telling you, it can be overwhelming because there's so much information out there. So let me know what I can do to help. I actually have a call with a potential customer today to go over some of the pros and cons and to see if it is a fit for her. And that's exactly what I do on a daily basis. And sometimes we end up saying, this is probably not what you are looking for. And that's okay. But it is a great way to start your online journey, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.